Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I'm Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So our today's video is for all the freshers for 2025 batch, for 2024 batch and even for 2023 batch. So watch the video very carefully and watch till the end. So our first hiring is in Cisco Carriers. So Cisco is also one of the most prominent companies and they hire many entry level students. So they are hiring for software engineer for QA automation and entry level students can apply for that. Location is Bangalore, India. Area of interest is engineer software. Job type is early in career. Not they do not need so like very much experienced person. Okay, and the technology of interest is cloud data center software development. And here are the required qualifications. They will hire BSc or MSc or equivalent experience in engineering and computer science students. So BTech, MTech students can also apply for that. And up to 2 years of work experience in cloud, SaaS applications, test automation. So they say that 2025 can apply, 2024 can apply, 2023 can also apply, not beyond that. Okay, so that's all for this. Read everything in detail, then apply for this hiring from here. I will mention all the hiring links in the description box. Okay, so next one is in EY and they're also hiring from their official website only. So it is for associate analyst and what all they need from you is here are the qualification. You should be either graduate or postgraduate. That's only what they need from you. And the experience is 0 to 2 years of relevant experience. Relevant experience means what all skills they need from you. You should have that skills and you can be experienced up to like 2 years only, not beyond that. So 2025 again, 2024, 2023 can apply for that. And the certification requirements they have told that any relevant risk management related certifications will be an added advantage. So you will also have flexibility to work in rotational shifts and experience in MS Office suites like Microsoft 365, MS Excel, PowerPoint, etc. etc. So you can go through all the details very carefully and then simply apply from here. So next hiring is in Wipro. So this is a very good hiring as you will be hired as a trainee manual testing and you should be from BE BTech and only of 2024 batch pass out. So the city is Gurugram and what they are offering you. I will tell you everything. So yeah, how you can clear this. Firstly, you will have first level that is gate assessment. It will contain logical reasoning questions and then you will have HR round over MS Teams like it will be a video call only and then you will have managerial interview. That will be scheduled interview at office. So these are all the documents you should carry with you and yeah, here they have written that you will be hired as a trainee and qualification they need from you is BE BTech MCA and 2024 pass out only and service agreement will be there. 12 months of service agreement will be signed and office location they have given and shift timing they have also given 1:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. and they are also giving cab facility, pick and draw facility at doorstep. So it is a great opportunity for females also because they are giving the cab facility. Okay, so it is walk in face to face mode of technical interview. So you can go through all the things in detail and then simply apply from. So go and grab this opportunity. All the links are for you only. All the updates I'm bringing is for you only. So like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.